apparently I got cut off due to storage full, so I cleared some stuff out. I was just saying how the solar panels will, you want this light to be on for charging, and then this kind of tells you where you're at. It's kind of cloudy right now, so we're not getting a full good charge, but this won't supplement you having to run the generator or hook it up to shore power to charge it, but it will keep a decent pull on it. I don't remember where it cut me off, so I'm not sure if some of this is repeat, but there's where you turn the power from generator to shore power, and then straight up and down is off, which then takes the inverter over. Going down right below the captain's helm is the cut compartment here. It's sorry about this video, it's going to be very shaky. Oh, where's the light? There's a light back here. So a box of some just leftover goodies. There's your inverter. You need the power button there and a reset. I wouldn't mess with it unless you have to reset it. Push that power button and then hit reset or whatever. Holding it turns it off. Holding it back down turns it back on. But I don't know if you'll have to worry about that, but that's where that is. 2 water tanks, one right here, and another one behind it connected with the pump. And then in the middle, it's too dark, you won't see this. In the middle is the hot water heater that's brand new. And then the poop tanks are back there. They're 2 see-through tanks that are connected together. So you can see in them to know, or just like peek down here to see how full they are, and then when you're emptying, you can peek down here to see how they are emptying. So the pump for the toilet, and I'll show you how that works here in a minute. Pump's back there, lake water pump there, fresh water pump there. All those pumps are brand new. Inverter's brand new. The HVAC, of course, done by Cody and his sons, all brand new. Then we have this closet right off the captain's helm. Storage, supplies, owner's manuals, extra light bulbs, some cleaning supplies, vacuum, and then this captain's chair is going to be just something you can put in there and then take out here when you're driving, just so you a big chair doesn't take up space. Tables are in there. These are the 2 folding full-size tables. And then you got your master bedroom. Let me explain to you the light switches. This one's a good one for an example. So each light has a listing of what it is. Not every plug runs off of the inverter, but the ones that do, I've labeled inverter, so you know that work all the time. And then every plug has its label on it. So all DC is off of the batteries in back. Those could wear that battery down, so use the AC when all possible. But the AC and the DC switches are all done. If it doesn't have a label on it, that means it does not work on the inverter. It'll work on shore power and generator power. So you've got this. You've got your basement bedroom. You got your lights. These are super bright in here, but you've got those lights that all work off the inverter. And then here's the circuit board. Circuit board, we're going to have to decide what to do. We're probably just going to leave it on at all times. I don't have the water heater on, so it doesn't burn up right now. But everything is listed right here of what it does. This panel up here is run by the generator or shore power. So everything on this panel is not on the inverter, basically. The inverter panel is down here. So everything that's on here is what inverter runs. So if there's a question of what runs on inverter, that kind of thing, run here. I'm not sure how we're going to use this panel, if we just leave everything on or what. So stay tuned on that, but that's where that is, and that's what those 2 panels do. Forgot to mention on the captain's helm is the lake water switch and the freshwater switch. So those are where your fresh and lake water are. put them on when you're using it. When you leave the boat, turn them off, just in case there's a leak somewhere that doesn't cause any problems.